Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My May 2021 Love From Lizi card kit is here and it's absolutely beautiful. The theme is Butterfly Wishes. I do have a link provided in the description box if you are interested in the kit. And just a warning, it's super popular already and selling very quickly. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 6 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's silver mirror. There's a pretty pink, sort of a pinkish purple. There's ivory, a very dark purple. There's white, and this is alcohol marker friendly, and also a moss green. And this month, Lizi has included some decoupage sheets. So there's 8 different sheets, and these are so fun. You can stack them up, layer them together using some foam dimension. Each sheet is numbered so you know the order that you'll stack all those pieces. And these just punch out, so they're so simple to use. Now you can layer them all up, or you could use some of them individually. And each of the sheets also have a few extras. So lots of different sentiments. I really like the variety. So there's a happy birthday, thinking of you, best wishes, and they all have a glitter finish on some of the images and sentiments. And this is sealed glitter, so it's not going to make a mess at all. I love these beautiful flower and butterfly images. So here's a lovely one with more butterflies. And then the last one with love. Hugs and kisses, lots of love. And to go along with all that beautiful decoupage, we have the 6x6 pattern paper. There's 12 sheets, these are all single-sided, and several of the patterns also have that glitter finish. So you can see it on the butterflies and the border. I love this sheet with all the sentiments, and there's some images. You could cut those out and add them to your card. Some beautiful roses. There's a little grid pattern, little geometric pattern, more butterflies, lots of butterflies in this kit. I love this paper with the flowers, some more roses and butterflies, another geometric style, more roses and butterflies with that glitter finish. And then the last two have a foil finish, so silver foil. That first one looks like a mermaid tail, and then finally some beautiful silver foil butterflies. Up next we have the stamp set. Lots and lots of butterfly images. There's this fun border of butterflies. There's the large butterfly that you could stamp on a circle die cut, and then lots of sentiments. So we have butterfly wishes, get well soon, good luck, happy birthday, congratulations, and happy retirement. The peel-offs this month are pinstripe style in the silver moon dust color. It goes beautifully with the collection. There are 4 dies included. So we have a butterfly, there's a rose with some leaves, trying to figure out which way was up. And there are also 2 sentiments. The one on the right is best wishes, and then the one on the left is have a lovely day, and it has 2 little butterflies in the corner. Next we have the ribbon. There's 5 different styles, and there's a meter of each. And you can see the colors match perfectly with the paper collection and the decoupage. There are 4 holographic butterfly stickers, and they look like they have a little bit of dimension, but they will lay flat if you mail them. They really are very pretty and super sparkly, at least around that outline edge. And then up next we have the sample size of the sequin mix. So if you love sequins, you can always purchase the full-size bag. This bag includes some purple and silver butterflies. There's also some tiny little hearts and some iridescent cup sequins. Next, there is a sheet of resin flowers. These are so pretty and they match beautifully with the kit. They have some dimension on the back, and as you can see, they're very thick. There is one additional item that's included in the kit, but it was missed in the design team kits. So here's a picture. You'll receive half a sheet of these beautiful glitter gems. So that's everything that's included in the May 2021 Love From Lizi kit. Now I did receive some of the add-ons. There are 2 additional stamp sets that are available that will work with the kit. The first one is called Butterfly Wings, I love this butterfly. The wings are made of roses and leaves, and the sentiment is sending love on butterfly wings. The second set is mini butterfly background. So it has all these little silhouettes of butterflies. I also received a bag of paper flowers, and this is available as an add-on. So I'll take these out of the bag. Now these have a lot of dimension, and they're on little wire stems. So you could cut those stems off if you don't want them, or you could wrap them around a different element on your project. There are two different colors. There's that light lilac color and then the darker purple, and they also have a variety of sizes. Up next is one of my favorite add-ons, the peel-off bundles. So there's two sets available. The one on the left, this is the variety bundle. And these are so sparkly. So there's a sheet of holographic in the sway style. There's mint moon dust in straight. There's the mini hearts in white, and you can color these with markers. So if you don't want white, you want a different color, you can take care of that with your markers. And there's also the black glitter in the pinstripe. The set on the right is the pinstripe bundle. So there's the purple holographic. Love that one. There's mauve moon dust. There's racing green. And then the last sheet is clear iridescent glitter. So these colors will work beautifully with the kit. And you can never have too many peel-offs. My final add-on is the Pearlescent cardstock bundle. This is another favorite of mine. So there's 6 sheets this month. There's this pretty green. There's silver, there's a white, a lovely purple, there's a caramel color, and also a very light purple, so a lilac color. And these are single-sided, so the back side is a solid white. I love using specialty cardstock on my cards, and the pearlescent papers are so pretty. So here's another look at the May 2021 Love From Lizi card kit. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit is still available, but quantities are very limited since it's selling very quickly. There's also quite a few add-ons that I didn't receive, so I will have a link for the kit and also the full May release in the description box below. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to subscribe. So if you are interested in this kit, I would suggest not waiting. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.